Hi guys, it's VB. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this soft look with a pop of color. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't already, hit the notification bell. Hope you guys enjoy this look. Thank you. So I started off by priming my eye. I used the Makeup Revolution concealer in the color C6. And I blended it out using the crown brush number C533. Today we're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette times Morphe, and I'm going to start off by using this color, which is called Pukey. And then with a blending brush, I'm just going to make sure that everything is well blended. I will blend up towards the brow bone and out. And then take the next color, which is called Buns, and apply it a little under that first shade that we applied. And then with the same brush that I used to apply Pukey, I just started blending those two colors together. And once again with the big blending brush, I just started to blend it all out. And took my Makeup Revolution concealer in the color C6 and started to cut my crease, but just about halfway. And then I went with the shade Beam and applied it right on my lid. And then I went in with the color Central Park and I added it right towards the end of the lid. And make sure that those colors are well blended. And with the same brush you use to apply Pukey, make sure that you keep blending. And for my wing, I went in with the Balm Cosmetics Schwing Black Eyeliner. For mascara, I used the Benefit Cosmetics Bad Gal Bang. The lashes I'll be using are the Luxe by iitsVB in the style Rèal-Doux, and I'll be using my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. For the lower lash line, we're going to go in with Pukey. And take our Vintage Cosmetics black eyeliner and apply it to the waterline. With a flat liner brush, we're going to apply Abyss right over that black eyeliner. And with a little bit of buns, we're going to start buffing out that lower lash line. And make sure to blend it all out. For the inner corner, we're going to take this shade. It is called Jada and Pool Party. And apply the same mascara to the lower lashes. And jumping into the face, we're going to prime the face by using the Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer. And applying the Cover FX Blurring Primer. For foundation, I went in with the Maybelline Fit Me, Dewy and Smooth, and Makeup Revolution. First, I blend out the Makeup Revolution, and then I will go in with the Maybelline one, dotting it all over my face. And then blending that all out. Next, I went in with concealer using the Makeup Revolution in the color C6. And with the same beauty sponge, I blend it all out. Set the face using the Makeup Revolution Banana Luxury Baking Powder. Contoured with the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette in the color Tan. With the same Makeup Revolution powder, I just cleaned up the contour. Use the same contour shade to contour the nose as well. And the same powder, clean up that contour line and bake for a bit. Took the Note Cosmetics blush in the color Desert Rose. Use the big powder brush to blend that down a bit since I went a little ham. And took a little blending brush and blend out that lower lash line since it looked a little scary when I applied the concealer. And then with the big powder brush, I just blend off all the powder. And for brow bone highlight, I took the shade Compass from the Tarte Cosmetics Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette. And then took a blending brush and made sure to blend. Took the same Compass shade and added it as highlight all over my face. And then for lip liner, I went with Essence in the Nude. And then took the NYX Lingerie Bustier liquid lipstick. Set my face using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and set my brows using the 24-Hour Brow Setter by Benefit Cosmetics. This brings us to our final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Thank you. And remember, feel nothing less than what you are.